DJT stock analysis Tuesday. This is actually more so for Wednesday and onwards, so let's talk about it. If you're interested about DJT stock analysis, watch this 1-minute video till the end, so let's get right into it. With Trump Media stock, perfectly aware of the fact that we came down quite hard. You know, it's 11% down, but it's still inside a demand area, so let's talk about this. I've done 35,000 videos, and there's another guy on YouTube that's done his common factors analysis on his own 35,000 videos that they've done, you know, but I'm here sitting, actually going through them, actually seeing, figuring out what's working and what's not. If you reach this point, then the break even is going to be put on, but since it's inside a demand zone, there's nothing more okay than just continuing and committing to more longs. And like when I say committing to more longs, obviously I'm saying I must see a proper double break shift in order for me to continue so, but if I don't, then everything after that is pure noise, you know. So it's obviously not financial advice. I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'm sending an email tomorrow. It's free. You don't want to miss that.